Here's step-by-step guide how to create multiple desktop on your PC. So as you can see, I can switch my desktop right now, and on the first I can open this folder and this, and just change on right here, open browser, for example, like that, and I can change it so easy. So actually it's so easy. For create new desktop, you should tap Ctrl Windows D. And as you can see, I successfully create new desktop, and I can open here, for example, browser, etc., and close it. So if you wanna switch on the first desktop, you should tap on Ctrl Windows and tap on left or right arrow. That's it. Please consider subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up, and also you can watch this new video or this playlist about Windows 10.